Understanding basic ventilator settings is critical in the ICU. Let's break down the 10 essentials you need to know. First, the mode. Common types include volume control, pressure control, and CMV. VCV plus AC is most frequent in the ICU. Second, tidal volume. This is the air per breath, typically set at 6 to 8 milliliters per kilogram of ideal body weight. Third is respiratory rate. Most ICU patients start between 12 and 16 breaths per minute to control CO2 levels. Next, FiO2 and PEEP. We aim for the lowest oxygen concentration to maintain saturation, while PEEP prevents alveolar collapse. The IE ratio is usually 1 to 2. We also monitor peak and plateau pressures to prevent barotrauma and lung injury. Pressure support assists spontaneous breaths, while trigger sensitivity ensures the machine detects the patient's effort accurately. Finally, always set your alarms. Just remember the mnemonic MTRFPP for the 6 core ventilator settings.